Rain today has residents and business owners on high alert in Miami Beach.
It comes after flash flooding last week led to problems with the pumping system. Local 10 News reporter Derek Shore is live in Miami Beach. And Derek, how are those pumps holding up so far?
Well, so far so good. I just got off the phone with some businesses in the Sunset Harbor area. They say they are not having any flooding. The reason likely this rain, a lot more light, and right now it has tapered off. Still, a lot of people very concerned waking up this morning, including myself, seeing that rain move in. The rain moved in early on Miami Beach, moderate, steady, and causing plenty of concern.
I don't want a repeat of the flood of the rain.
Sight of any precipitation striking fear in beach residents and employees, remembering what happened just last week. Major flooding throughout the city, cars partially submerged, activity pretty much paralyzed by rising water.
It was at least up to here. I had to go pick my girlfriend up from work, and we had to park at a parking garage.
If it keeps raining like this, I feel like in the afternoon we should have some flooding going on.
At the Sprint store on Alton and Lincoln Road, they're still making repairs, the floors in spots destroyed, while efforts to dry the store out continue. Seeing the rain this morning, leaving them tense. Kind of like some post-traumatic stress from last week.
From last week, yeah, like I say, I'm still incurring some of the damage that we had from last week, because in this area, when it floods and the water doesn't go away through here, we also get flooded in the back, so we get flooded both sides in the store.
As the city continues to shore up its flood plan and expand their pump system, Miami Beach Police tweeting this today, a list of tips, including reminding residents to move cars and appliances to higher ground.